Yo, what is up, guys? It is probably day 10 of this now. I figured, since I'm looking at the charts, and I just figured, just created a video, we will go over equilibrium as well today. Well, this will be for tomorrow, but you guys get what I mean. You guys cannot see that, huh? Okay, so, equilibrium, right? Continuation confluence, obviously. It measures the point from swing high to swing low or swing low to swing high. Um, this can be used to measure where price is at, whether it's in a premium or a discount for whether or not what direction you want to place a trade, right? And you want to essentially buy in the discount and sell in the premiums, right? Look at my little example here. I'll make it bigger for you guys, because I'm just that fucking nice. Look, guys, right? Go from swing high to swing low, right? Here's this retracement. As soon as price closes lower than the 50%, essentially the equilibrium, right? You can pretty much, a lot of the times, take shorts down to this range low. Then, you know. Um, I'll make this smaller again. Here we'll just make it bigger in general on the slide. So yeah, guys, this is actually in real time. So swing high to swing low, right? This is on the 1 minute time frame. You can do this same thing on the 5 minute, right? Looks a little bit better on the 5 minute for you guys. So swing high, swing low, right? Look at this. Beautiful delivery. Close below equilibrium, you could fucking enter short down to these internal lows. Okay? That's literally all equilibrium is. And sometimes you obviously have to sell in this premium because you just don't get that retracement into the 79% extension. Correct? Here. So obviously we have that 0.5 on the fib. We don't go all the way up to 79% here. So obviously that would be where the better entries would be. But this kind of like puts it into perspective for you guys. It's live time. This is literally happening right now. You know, we could even carry to the bottom of this um, range here. There is decent amount of LR below as well on this trade, like this. Got that to target, guys, and this, right? So that would be like a short idea. Probably enter here, stop above the high, and TP at this low. And yeah, guys, that is equilibrium, pretty much. It's literally the 50% of a range, right? There are essentially just like certain points that price will react off, right? The 79%, and the equilibrium of a range, obviously, and imbalances, volume imbalances like fair value gaps, SIBIs, BISIs, and so on. You guys get the point. But yeah, this one would be a good 79% extension example, right? So we go from the swing low to the swing high. Here's our 50%, and here's our 79%. We literally react perfectly off of our 79% and fill this new day opening gap and take these resting equal highs above, right? So that trade idea would essentially, and this is perfect because you get that 5-minute inverse as well, which I love waiting for. So enter, keep your stop under that inverse, targeting these equal highs, right? Did I really just fucking click a sell? That's interesting. I didn't even notice either until it was too late. Fucking sorry, guys. I'm just a really, really idiotic human being, I guess. Bang. Look at that shit. Just, and like delivery this week. For having no news, it's a beautiful week for delivery, you know? But, let's see here. Oh, you guys will be able to get this one. The more I mark these out, I hope the more you guys understand them as well, right? So you get your trusty old GAN box, go swing low to swing high, right? Boom. It's beautiful. Tap into that equilibrium, you know? And then we just keep on going higher to this LR. These are relative equal as well. That'll potentially be a good draw. We're creating all this LR for MRO potentially. On both sides, really. We're just in a fucking terrible daily range, though. Like, this shit is insane. Essentially, guys, from this point to this point is our range at the moment. And we could essentially trade in between either of these points, correct? There's really zero reason to go back up to all-time highs, though, in my humble opinion. So I think eventually on the higher time frames, we will get a break of structure, mark structure shift to the downside, and probably start a little bit of a downtrend for a month or two. So obviously war isn't good for the economy. It's kind of like the perfect time to go into a little bit of an economic drought, in my opinion. Because Trump preaches perfect, and he thinks he's God. But yeah, guys, I actually did vote for Trump in 2024. That was probably the biggest mistake I ever made. But yeah, you guys get this shit right. Right? It taps into this. It's like the CE of a gap, I guess you can compare it to, but it's like it's not comparable at the same time because it's its own confluence, if you know what I'm saying. But it looks like actually this was Trump data low, right? But still beautiful. If you had the patience and were on the charts pre-market, you could have long this bitch around like anywhere at market open, really. Anywhere at market open. There really also wasn't nearly as good of a sell-off today as there was on ES, which is kind of gnarly, right? Like, we didn't even unfill this unfilled 5-minute on NASDAQ, but yeah. Like here, guys. This shit is just like so easy to see for some reason. %79%. I'd just mark that one out damn near. Let's see if we've gotten equilibrium yet in this range. The entire range we have. We are trading at equilibrium of this range, actually. So you guys see that? It's essentially the you know the big ass daily range I just marked out. Well, it's not the whole thing, but that is just our current macro range. You feel me? And we're in. We actually did close below it. This is beautiful, guys. Close below it, dude. But yeah. What the fuck? Just gonna hit full TP, huh? You guys see that, man? This is from, I don't even know if I fucking did that in my last video or this one, bro, but you guys got this shit, bro. This is the easiest one. You guys got this. I didn't even... Fibonacci's just so easy that you don't need a slide. It just goes hand in hand with equilibrium. It's just another retracement tool, you know? It's just another point of reaction. So I'll read this over one more time, right? Equilibrium is a continuation confluence. It measures the point from swing high to swing low, or from swing low to swing high, where price is in a premium or a discount. And you want to buy in a discount and sell in premiums. Obviously, this tool that I have on my screen, this box with the 0.5, is the GAN box, correct? And I don't really have any settings for it besides all you'd have to do is really just unclick these and it doesn't show them anymore for you, right? So you guys can edit this shit, and I don't know why. There, we're going all black, I think. I like it better. It's Picasso. But yeah, I think without further ado, guys, that'll be it for today. Let me know if you guys saw any of these trades over the nighttime. You guys probably shouldn't be on the charts right now just because you guys probably have a discipline problem because you guys are fucking bitches. No, I'm kidding. You guys are fucking legendary. But why are you trading Asia? Don't let me know that you're trading Asia, actually. That'll just piss me off more. But yeah, guys, as you can see, oh, you guys can't see. Day 9 is out. Go watch that shit. And this will be day 10, so obviously if you haven't watched day 9 and you've watched day 10, you're kind of out of order. you know? So go back and watch the fucking other one. The other one I actually spilled some sauce in. Otherwise, this one was kind of just like more mechanical, you know? But without further ado, guys, you guys have a blessed Friday. Just remember that Jesus loves you and crush it on the charts. Take it easy.